Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. It is the market beast, Napoleon Macro. All right, we got Tesla on the list. I want to show you guys Tesla has been kind of teetering near a critical level. We're going to explore that in this video. Long-term line that it is kind of testing or teetering near right now. We're going to go over that. We're going to go over a potential range if you guys are interested in getting bullish on Tesla. This is not financial advice, but I'm going to pull up a specific range for you to take note of and focus on the weekly candles only and see if we can get an opportunity going here. So let's get into it, guys. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around, all of my loyal subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. So today's March the 1st, 2022, and the previous close. Tesla is going to be $864.37, slightly negative 0.7% for the day. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hope you guys are doing well out there. Here's the, guys, my charts are always clean and crisp, super simple, and here it is. That's it. Just one ascending line and a red circle. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I would like to present to you all is a long-term trend line. This is Tesla's long-term ascending trend line. Remember, Tesla has been through a reverse stock split, but nevertheless, Tesla has been finding financial support on this long-term ascending line until the buyers are right now in a pretty intense position, and they got actually, they don't have much time, guys. The Tesla buyers, they need to crank this price up within this week, which actually has about 2 days and 17 hours for this active weekly candle to fully develop and puncture this long-term trend line and get back above it and use it as support. Otherwise, the Tesla bulls are going to be in for a treat here in the short term as the market continues to move lower. Now, I do have a bearish target for Tesla. It's more than a $200 drop. Or I'm not sure if it's going to be a drop or a slow move down. I'm not sure, guys. I will reveal that bearish target on an up day. Okay, it's closes slightly negative day, so I don't like sounding bearish on Tesla. When it's a slightly negative close. I do, however, have a range for you, wonderful folks. If you guys are potential, if you're interested in getting bullish on Tesla, here's what I would do. This is not financial advice, but if I were actually getting bullish on Tesla, I would only focus on this range right about here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this range is going to be in between. Please kindly take notes if you're ready for that. In between the lows of about $697, $694, all the way up to the $812. So that'll be the range. Like if you're bullish on Tesla, I would just kind of take a look at that range to see if I can identify some sort of buy-in opportunity. Again, please don't get your lawyers, guys. This is seriously, this is satire. It's not even, technical analysis, guys. But I would take a look at that range. That would be an interesting range for me if I were bullish on Tesla. But seriously, guys, the Tesla bulls, they got to make a move, guys. Either this week, because here's what happens, guys. You see how, it's finding beautiful support. I think it's pretty obvious, right? How it's continuing to bounce off that line, arbitrary, blah, blah, blah. The critics say that's arbitrary. But you have to remember, when you find a stock, okay, the first thing that I do whenever I pull up any stock is I'm trying to find one of two things. Where is the financial support, right? Financial support, all right? If it's in an uptrend, and if it's in a downtrend, where is the resistance? Where is the financial resistance, right? Something like that. Like I'm just kind of putting it on the chart, right? Like if it were, but Tesla's not in a downtrend. So I'm always looking for one of two lines. Sometimes it's like a parabolic curve or, but with the exception of making things confusing. I'm always looking for support or resistance, the same thing that we revert to every single day. And in this case, I think I precisely located the long-term trend line, the financial support line. And right now, it's clear as crystal for me to see. And I'm pretty sure it's clear for those who are open to, price action to see as well. Tesla is below the financial support that has been acting as support all the way up, all the way back in, let's see here, March 2020. So it is showtime, Tesla bulls. You guys had better crank this price up. Otherwise, this market is getting in preparation to rip, not to the upside. All right. That's all I have for you wonderful folks. Hopefully that was enough information and entertainment for you all. Satire. So that's how we're going to end the video, guys. Yeah, take a look at that range. I would look for like, if you're experienced, I would look for like daily candle reversals within that range, like 694 up to 812. Maybe the buyers have already stepped in and, just kind of, you see this little shadow below that weekly candle's body. Maybe that's all it's going to take for the buyers to, propel this market higher. But I guess that would be like that one starting critical level, guys, like $812. One may say, come on, dude, it's never going to go to that level, guys. You got to be open to volatility, guys. Please never say what the market is never going to do, because at the moment you say it's never going to do it, like seriously, it just does exactly what you never think it's going to do. So just protect yourselves out there. Have a strategy. That's the range. The new high, Tesla must make a new high. If Tesla fails to make a new high, which is the previous high, which is right here, $1,153. And yeah, guys, Tesla is going to be making a second consecutive lower high. This is the highest point right about here at about $1,219-ish. Okay, let's see if Tesla can make a new high, guys. It has to take out that previous swing high, 1152. Okay, so you have the potential range. You have the information in terms of the weekly candles. There has been 2 consecutive weekly candles to close below the financial support level. So this is a sign that the buyers, whether it's going to move down or not, the buyers had better step in soon, guys, okay? All right, so I'm saying the same thing. That's the end of the video. You have the range. Let's give it a full 30 days. Let's give it until the end of March to see if the Tesla bulls can pull this off and get back above the financial support level, which is approximately $900. That's all I have for you, wonderful folks. Hopefully you enjoyed that. So if you guys don't mind doing me a huge favor before you go, by simply leaving an appropriate thumb, I'd appreciate it below the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your support. If you guys are new, we also explored the alternative Bitcoin market. You can kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember, guys, you have to have a strategy in these markets, okay? Always have a strategy. And keep that positive energy flowing, of course. We'll talk soon. And bye for now, guys and gals.